Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Founder-Led Sales Mastery Program. I wanted to create an introduction video to let you know what to expect when it comes to the program and the steps that we're going to follow to take you from struggling to sales mastery. And if you can see on the screen here, I've got the 9 steps, which might sound like a lot, but this is more for me than it is for you, just to make sure that we are covering our bases and walking you through the necessary steps of achieving the kind of results that you're looking for. You want to make more sales, get more calls on your calendar with qualified leads and be able to close them. And so there's a couple of things we want to cover. We will start by clarifying your offer. I have an exercise that will allow us to very simply explain what it is that you can do for people, the business problem you solve, and the results that they can expect when they work with you and your product. The second step is we're going to take a look at how to target our list. We will dig into Sales Navigator, click the necessary buttons and filters, and generate a list of the people that we're going to reach out to with our message and start conversations with. The next step is we're going to prepare the outbound messages that we will use to start those conversations with your prospects. That's very important, of course. It's something that we will likely experiment and test with as we go along, but we need to start with a message that we can send to people to connect with more qualified leads and to start conversations with them. We will launch those outbound campaigns, and then we'll focus on how to take those conversations and close the meeting with them. I call it a couple of different things, message to close or from DMs to deals. The skill here is in taking those chat conversations and turning them into sales opportunities for you. And once we do that, we establish certain systems, chat macros, sales scripts essentially, that are proven to work, that are repeatable, and that we can constantly improve upon. When that is taken care of, and even though in the first step we create content for you and you'll be sharing content throughout the process, in the 7th step, we want to take that to the next level and really build your influence. Now we're looking at public relations campaigns, if you like, and trying to get onto other people's podcasts and so on. In the 8th step, as you can see here, we focused on testing and iteration. And that might mean tweaking your outbound messages. It might mean new themes that pop up in your content. But we try to identify the areas for improvement and work on those. And then lastly, it is the repeatable nature of our working sales system that will help us to expand your empire. In this step, I have clients who like to hand the sales efforts off to somebody else, or maybe enlist a junior member of the team or a sales dev representative or somebody who can help with the scaling of the sales systems. And so we'll talk about a couple of different ways that you can expand your empire in the 9th step. Again, sincerely, thank you very much for joining me. This is going to be a wonderful adventure. In each of these modules, there will be a short video for you to watch if you like. And then, of course, there will be action steps on my side to take you from struggling to sales mastery. And, of course, you have access to me and to the rest of the cohort throughout the process. So you can ask any questions and feel that sense of support from the rest of the team here and the rest of your peers in founder-led sales. Thanks again for watching, and let's get started.